78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And here is the shocking part. It is not because they do not earn enough. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, people making six figures are broke too. So what is really going on? Today I am going to reveal the 7 hidden reasons why most people stay broke their entire lives. And number 5 is the one nobody talks about. Stay until the end because I am also going to share the one simple shift that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Let us start with reason number 1. You were never taught how money works. Think about it. You spent 12 years in school learning algebra, history, and how to dissect a frog. But nobody sat you down and explained compound interest, taxes, or how credit cards actually make money off you. This is not an accident. The system was designed to create workers, not wealthy people. And that leads us to the first wealth killer. Reason number 2. You are playing defense with your money instead of offense. Most people budget to survive. They think, how do I make it to the next paycheck? But wealthy people ask a completely different question. They ask, how do I make my money work for me? See the difference? One mindset keeps you running on a hamster wheel. The other builds a machine that generates money while you sleep. Now here is where it gets interesting. Reason number 3. Lifestyle inflation is eating your raises alive. You get a promotion. You make an extra $500 a month. What do most people do? They upgrade their car. They eat out more. They buy things they do not need to impress people they do not like. 6 months later they are broke again but at a higher income level. The wealthy do the opposite. When they earn more, they invest the difference. That is the gap. Reason number 4. You are saving money in the wrong places. Here is something your bank does not want you to know. That savings account paying you 0.5% interest. Inflation is running at 3 to 4%. Which means every single year your money is losing value just sitting there. You are literally getting poorer by saving. The wealthy do not save money. They deploy it into index funds, real estate, businesses, assets that grow faster than inflation. But wait. Reason number 5 is the one that changed everything for me. You are surrounded by other broke people. I know that sounds harsh but hear me out. Your income tends to be the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If everyone around you thinks investing is gambling, that debt is normal, that rich people are just lucky, then you will unconsciously adopt those beliefs. The wealthy surround themselves with people who challenge them to grow. They join masterminds. They read books. They consume content that expands their financial thinking. Which, by the way, you are doing right now by watching this video. Reason number 6. You are afraid of money. Most people have a deeply emotional relationship with money and they do not even realize it. Maybe you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil. Or rich people are greedy. Or we cannot afford that. These beliefs get hardwired into your subconscious and they silently sabotage every financial decision you make. You will not build wealth if a part of you believes you do not deserve it. And finally, reason number 7. You do not have a system. Hope is not a financial strategy. Wishing things will get better next month is not a plan. The wealthy have systems. They automate their investments. They track their net worth monthly. They have specific targets and they reverse engineer how to hit them. They treat their personal finances like a business. So here is the one shift I promised you. Stop trading your time for money and start trading your money for time. Every dollar you invest is a tiny employee working for you 24 hours a day. The goal is not to make more money. The goal is to build enough assets that your money makes more money than you spend. That is called financial freedom. And it is available to anyone willing to learn the rules of the game. If this video opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button because I drop videos like this every single day. And drop a comment below telling me which reason hit you the hardest. I read every single one. I will see you in the next video.